This cat had no idea she was about to change her owner's life forever. The girl went out hunting for rare stones and brought her along, because that tiny nose never misses. At first, just colorful rocks, nothing special. Then the cat froze, sniffing like she'd found treasure. She uncovered strange stones, one like raw meat, tiny orange pebbles, even a crystal with a rainbow trapped inside. Then she slipped into a crack under a massive rock. The girl reached in and pulled out an ordinary stone, completely plain, until she flipped it over. On the back, a hidden pocket of pure gold, glowing in the light. And if that twist made you smile too, you already know what to do.